How to disable auto brightness on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn it off so you can control your screen brightness manually. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Display. After that, look just below the brightness slider for the adaptive brightness toggle and turn it off. From here, your device will stop adjusting brightness automatically, and whatever level you set the slider to will stay fixed until you change it yourself. Following this, if you'd rather do it without opening settings, swipe down from the top of your screen to expand the quick panel. At this point, tap the three dots next to the brightness slider. After that, tap the adaptive brightness toggle from there to turn it off instantly. Finally, once it's disabled, drag the brightness slider in your quick panel to whatever level feels comfortable, and it will stay right there. That's how you disable auto brightness on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.